Ah, my lighter is dying. Woof! Hello, baby! Alright, that's enough. Getting a little scary here. Okay, so first you might want to buy this kit, which is pretty much a toilet seat mounting kit. Okay, and I'm not going to open this one, I have already parts here, but this is what's going to be in it. It's these bolts, and they are made out of nylon or some kind of plastic, and they have plastic nuts. Okay, and some of them will come even with these washers, and they could be very useful. So see, so that's one thing. And if they don't come with these washers, so you're gonna need more of them. They definitely come with these washers. Okay, so what you want to do here, just take the knife, don't cut yourself like me, just stupid, keep the fingers out of the way. Okay, and just cut this off, this part. Alright, they didn't break the skin, that's good. And you're going to end up with a nice washer for this bolt. Nice rubber washer, insulating washer, right? So that's one thing that you're going to need. And then another thing, which I already have here, and I'm just going to reuse it. It's from my steam generator. It's some kind of plates. Okay, and of course the stainless is best, and you're gonna need to attach the wire to the stainless plates, and I do have a video actually on my channel how to solder copper to stainless steel. And these bolts will pretty much either make holes, or some of them will come with the holes already. And this is actually for a steamer. But I'm going to take this apart, and I'm going to reuse the plates. Okay. You see, these washers are much bigger, so I don't want to use those. I'm gonna need these rubber washers here. Okay. And I should clean them, but just for the sake, right now. This will be very close, but they're not touching right here, so you have to be careful where you solder them. I want to make sure. And I'm gonna use these two here. From this bolt. Okay, and then I'm going to cut the bolts shorter too. Doesn't make sense to have them that long, but let's put this on. Now this way you can build a bunch of plates together if you want, but this is going to be just for the experiment. Okay, now I'm going to put this already cut, the nuts on it. And I might want to use another washer. No, this is fine. Don't need to use another washer. Okay, and now what we're gonna have here, it's plus, minus, and plus. Or we can have minus, plus, and minus. It doesn't really matter, whichever, whichever your heart desire. So I did find another battery holder for 18650s, so I got 6 of them together, and it's exactly 24.88 volts. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in, and I got my amp meter here involved, of course. So let me just plug it in here. Okay, 0 amps so far. Now I gotta be a little more careful because 24 volt will already bite a little bit. Not much, but it will. And let's sink it in. Okay. So what do we got? 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, 1. And it's already producing 1.4, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 amps, and you see it's much more vigorous. Okay, this is already pretty strong reaction at 24 volts, so I don't want too much hydrogen in my room here, so I'm gonna take it out again. And we're gonna build, let me just unplug it. That's interesting. So what we learn here is that when you raise the voltage, you pretty much create better path for the electrons to travel between the plates. Because you can see at 12 volts it was 1 amp, or actually 0.9 exactly, and at 24 volts it was 1.8, I guess, if I remember correctly, something like that, or 1.9. So the higher voltage, the faster the electrons will travel between the plates. So I guess that's why we don't even need any electrolyte. This is just a plain tap water. Okay? Yeah, so let's do the final test. Is this really producing hydrogen and oxygen? Okay? I guess the only way to find out is to light it on fire. Right? So let's see. Turn on the switch. I'm going to shut the light. Hello. There you go. Not very much. It seems like it's a very strong, well, probably escaping, but if I go very close, it's popping up. Okay. So I guess I would have to, this is probably escaping, I would have to close it and accumulate a little bit of the gas and then light it, but this is proof enough, I guess. these little pops here and there. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. I think that was a good one. So I don't know. Wow. Ah, my lighter is dying. Woof! Hello, baby. Alright, that's enough. Getting a little scary here.